here, but
maybe some from Turtle. Maybe some.
good morning, good morning. Here we are once again. Is that right, Mia?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I know we haven't made a video in a little while, but I wanted to check out. We got our new glove box. But look at this. I wanted to show you a couple things we got. Here. Before we open this, we got a couple things from MTE that I brought back for you.
Wow, so amazing.
So you got a keychain from, can you read this? It says Car Candy, automotive detail products. So you got this keychain right here. And it says all the products you need for your sweet ride. Whoa, that's cool. But this one, you got a Rag Company lanyard. You like that? And a Leather Repair Company one.
Yeah.
But look at this. From Car Candy. Some candy! I brought you these back. These are Skittles.
They always bring candy to the youth.
Yeah. So, we got Car Candy Skittles. Thank you to Car Candy. So,
Thank you, Car Candy.
we're going to go ahead and we're opening this glove box right here. Are you ready to see what's in our glove box this month?
Yes.
Do you think it's going to be cool?
I hope some are going to be from Car Candy.
I don't think there's anything from Car Candy in here, but
Maybe some from Turtle Wax. Maybe some.
I don't know. Let's find out.
Maybe
Here,
some.
I will let you pick stuff out. Which one do you want to grab first? You want to grab that? What do we have? We have glass cleaner.
We needed more glass cleaner.
We always need more glass cleaner. This is from Action Products. So this would be fun to try out. You want to smell it? It says it's ready to use.
Spray 2 sprays of product.
Give it a smell.
It smells like glass cleaner.
Yeah, but it's not strong. It's not really strong, is it?
Perfume!
No, it doesn't really have much of a smell. So we're going to put this in. Let's see. Let's spray it up in the air.
I give it a B plus because it's a little good.
Okay, close your eyes. I don't really smell anything, do you?
Made a mess.
Yeah, I made a mess. But look, we got a towel.
Wow.
A waffle weave towel. And this is for the glass cleaner. So, Action Products Glass Cleaner. This will be fun to try out. We can't
Daddy,
wait.
Look at.
Let's see what else we got in here.
Table.
Here. Let's see. We got from the Books. That is for Valentine's Day. Maybe we should get some flowers for Valentine's Day. Who should we get flowers for? Mommy. Ooh, that would be really cool. Let's check out the Books. What else do we have in here? We have Gearhead Kids. Designed to inspire future automotive enthusiasts like you. Maybe we'll check that out too. Then we have Image, washproduct.com.
Is that for grown-ups?
This is for dissolvable soap sheets. This will be interesting. And then our step-by-step guide. So here we have car wash soap sheets. Image wash products, ultra concentrated. These are sheets. So you put these in the bucket instead of having to use liquid. That's going to be awesome. We're going to check this out.
Let me show you.
Really excited to see this in action. What else we got? Ooh, Clean Maker. Now, this is from Jamie the Cleaner. He is an influencer. He's on the YouTube. This is 10 parts bead maker, 1 part dream maker. I don't know what the hype is all about this. It'll be interesting to check out. I don't like bead maker. I barely like dream maker. We'll see how this works, but it'll be fun to try out. You want to smell it? Now, the one thing I will say about bead maker is it does smell really good. Dream maker smells good as well.
Hot
So,
candy Skittles are good.
no, okay, Mia, you smell this? Smell this, smell? No? Oh, it touched your lip. I'm so sorry. What do you think of the smell?
Good.
You like the smell? So Mia does like the smell of Clean Maker.
I give it an A plus.
A+ from Mia. I figured she would like the smell.
This one's a B and this one's an A.
Then we have, of course, a Glovebox sticker and
It looks
nice
like a wheel.
towel
It looks
from
like a gear.
the Rag Company.
I'll give that one an A plus and a
This one an A++? The towel? Why?
because it's pink.
Because it's pink. So let's check out this nice towel. Ooh, there's 1, 2, and 3 towels.
That's why I gave it an A plus plus.
That's why you gave it an A++? Well,
There's
Mia,
more than one.
what do you think of our glove box this month?
Good.
What are you most interested to try out and play with? The towels? The towels? Do you want to try Clean Maker?
Uh-huh.
Do you want to spray it on the car right now and see how it works?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Mia's going to spray this on our car that sits right here in the garage. Here, you want one of your pink towels?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mia's going to use her pink towel from the Rag Company and Clean Maker. She's just going to wipe down the fender. So I'm very interested to check out these car wash soap sheets. It says they're eco-friendly and ready to use.
Can you help me?
Oh, here. Let me see. Let me see. All right. Here you go. All right. Now use your towel.
Good.
And it says for bucket washing.
Clean.
You can also use it in a foam cannon.
Look at it. It's shiny.
Ooh. So do you like Clean Maker?
Mm-hmm. That's why I gave it an A plus. Because it can make things.
Smell these. They smell like soap, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. These are going to be really interesting to try out. I can't wait to see these. It's going to be cool.
Weird that they need to go in a bucket.
Yeah, you just drop it in the bucket and it's supposed to make a lot of soap. So when we wash the vehicles, it'll be nice and easy to do.
So we can put on soap with that.
Well, that is the soap. The sheets will dissolve in the bucket and become soap.
That's weird.
It is, but I can't wait to try it. I think it's going to be cool. When it stops raining, do you want to try it out?
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait. I think it's going to be lots of fun. We can color this card. So this Gearhead Kids, it says, have your little gearhead color this card and tag us on Instagram at Gearhead Kids for a chance to win store credit. So do you want to color this later?
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll tag it on Instagram. Cool. Give me 5.
Gearhead Kids.
So, Mia, I just got back from MTE.
Mm-hmm.
I had a good time. I got to hang out with the Dr. Beasley's crew.
You went to Florida.
Yes, it was in Orlando, Florida.
Good thing he was safe.
I was safe. Yes, I was very safe. We talked to the Rag Company. I got a good chance to catch up with Levi. He's an amazing guy. He's awesome. Went and talked to the folks at Dr. Color Chip. Went to talk to Tony Pondo.
And Dr. Beasley.
And Dr. Beasley's. I hung out with Chris Racana. Christian! Who else? There was Lance Beckett. There was Zach. There was Mike Phillips. There was just a bunch of people. We went to a couple parties.
Mike?
I got to see the guys from Buffin, MJ Detail, and Oscar from... Where's Oscar from? You remember Oscar? Do you remember what his shop is called? You don't remember? I believe it's 805 Detail Shop. Do you know that one? You've been there.
It's called the Detailers.
You've been there.
It's called the Detailers.
Mm-hmm. Then we stopped by the IDA booth. Labos Cosmetica. That was a fun one to check out. They're a company out of Italy. I can't wait to try their products. Car Candy. Car Candy was awesome. Mario from 818 Auto Detailing. He won a paint gauge. A really nice paint gauge. That's like $400. I won a keychain. But we had a lot of fun. Got to check out a lot of companies. I got a bunch of T-shirts. What else? There was the Dent Olympics going on. There was supposed to be a paint correction competition that was supposed to happen, but it never happened.
This green one.
What else? I went to talk to Keko. They're a dent company. And we just had a lot of fun. We went to go-kart racing with Dr. Beasley's. I lost. I came in like dead last place. But I was crushing everybody at laser tag. Had a lot of fun. I to go hang out with your cousin. And you had a lot of fun when I came home. So MTE was a lot of fun this year. Much more fun than SEMA was.
Do you want to see all these cards?
Oh, these are just cards from people at the Rad Company, Dr. Color Chip, and a couple of the other companies that I went and visited. But thank you for joining us as we opened our glove box and did a brief, quick recap of MTE. We had a lot of fun. Mia, one day I'm going to take you to MTE, but I don't like taking you out of school to go to these detailer events. Are you ready to start going to detailer events?
Only when I turn a little older.
A little older?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And when I don't have school day.
Yeah, because school's more important, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. And you're great at school.
Mm-hmm.
So, thank you for joining us. Mia, what do we tell everybody?
Be safe from the storm.
Be safe from the storm. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Click the like button up below and click the subscribe button down below. So make sure click that subscribe button down below. And don't subscribe to them outside.
Yeah. So, thank you for joining us. We really appreciate it. And we will see you next time. Until then, bye.
Maybe some little, maybe some